Last time I was showing you how to fold a bow tie with a table napkin and a table napkin ring. Today I'm going to show you how to fold this beautiful bow tie. A bow tie is used for any occasion such as a restaurant visit or an opera or concert. In this long video I will show you how to fold the bow tie and how to prep the tie. Hello and welcome to Blue NTS, your channel for all utility foldings. We need a clean shirt, a dress shirt, a white one, and also a bow tie. I'm using today a silk bow tie. The silk bow tie has been already prepped, but if you stay at the end of this video, I will show you how to prep bow ties, making sure they are flat and ironed and no creases. For reference, where the wristlet is, that's my right hand, so you know what you need to do. Put around the bow tie, making sure that the bulge, that the left side, that the right side is in the middle of the left side bulge. It's about 2.5 inches or 2 inches. Then you cross it over, feed it around. You don't lay it over, you just put it at the bend, at the collar. Then you take the left side, you make a bow, then you take the long end, you put it over, and then you create a flinder, or what we call a butterfly. There's a small hole in the butterfly at the bottom, and then you make another bow and you fiddle through that hole. There we go. Then you just make sure that everything is aligned well, that everything looks good, so there are no creases, especially the piece which holds the bows together. There should not be any crease. If you want to tighten or leash the tie, only pull on the bows. Do not pull at the other ends, only the bows. This tightens the knots and makes it very crisp, very sharp. You do it, just make sure that everything is aligned and symmetrical, that's very important. Once you are happy, you take down the collar again, so it takes a bit of time, you put the bow tie on top of it, and then there we go. We see the bow tie. It only took 60 seconds, as you see. If you are not happy, just adjust a bit, making sure there are no creases or the plications, and everything is the same. And you even see that it looks much better than a pre-folded bow tie. Here we have resumed in version, but a different fold. I just want to say that a bow tie is something really nice and called differently in different languages. The tie of a butterfly. In French, nœud papillon, a language not many people speak. Taurinch, which is Latvian, meaning butterfly again. Lithuanian, and there we say to a bow tie, drugilis, also means butterfly. English language says bow tie as there are bows involved. we have used this bow tie quite often, there are some creases on it. I'm using demineralized water to slightly moisten the bow tie. Use really demineralized water as there are no solids solved in that water, meaning it will not leave any residues on this fabric. As this is a silk bow tie, I'm using an extra cloth in order to heaten the fabric, and the best way is to use a towel, as this provides enough distance from the hot surface of the iron and the silk itself. So whatever you use, even if it's cotton, polyester or nylon ties, just be careful. Never wash them. If you need to clean them, bring into a professional cleaner. The bow tie comes in different shapes. You have the diamond point shape. I'm using here a butterfly silk type with adjustable neckband. You can also use fixed length bow ties. Then you need to measure your neck. Usually the size of your shirt is already an indication of which type of neck length you need. Anyway, now comes the folding along. I will not narrate this, just have a look. Should be much easier now, slightly through it. But before we start, we clean everything, and as always, thank you for watching. And if you like this content, please subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.